Hi everyone, Nancy with Our Treasure Home, and I made some zucchini bread. Now this recipe is totally different because it does not use any yeast in it whatsoever. So it comes out like this. So if you want like a loaf of bread or something, just double the recipe. I will link my video I have on the channel already up with the recipe and everything to this right here. But I want to show y'all this. But here's also what I'm making for lunch. I've cut up some cabbage, some bok choy. Yes, 2 different cabbages. I'm going to cut up a zucchini, and I have 1 egg left in here, and I'll just mix all that together. So, we're going to flip this out. And there you go. It smells so good. So, let me flip this over. Oh my goodness, it's still... Alright. Oh no! I'm going to put y'all down for a moment. The blueberries are at the bottom, so now they're all over the counter. And I move it to the paper towel. So let's get this up before the blueberry stain settles in. So we're going to take a little pinch of this. We're going to see what it looks like. There we go. Oh my goodness. Alright. This smells really good. I am finally getting my voice back. Yay! No makeup on or nothing. I'm just like, my allergies are really acting up. But finally, this is starting to clear up. It takes about a week. Finally getting my voice back. The sunflower video was done way before, so that's why I sound normal. That's a lot of sunflower seeds. I got 2 pints of sunflower seeds from that sunflower. So, here is our bread. Of course, I want a blueberry. Goodness. And I have blueberries and I put walnuts in it. You don't have to put anything in it. If you just want the zucchini bread. But like I said, if you want it thicker, just double the recipe. This is awesome. You gotta slam me up that chin. It's coming down now. Being sick does that. But, you know, my blueberries, they were frozen, but they all at the bottom. So I'll have to flip that back over. But this is excellent. Something definitely for the cold weather months coming up. You know, just put it on, you know, heat it back up, put some butter on it, and it melt. Oh, that'd be so good. So there you go. That's what I did today. We got some more things coming for y'all. Haven't liked, subscribed, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.